Special agents, you did it. Mission accomplished. You helped me escape. Wow, what a wonderful job you've done. And you worked so hard to get here. I am so proud of you. If you look below, there are directions so that I can send you a certificate of completion for completing our very first CIA escape room. The last clue you have to do is to put in a secret code word for when you send in your request and your survey. And our secret code word is the word we spell every day at the end of the day. So, first grade friends, if you are ready to go, and that's where you need to spell that secret code word in our secret code word box below. Thank you so much for joining me on this escape room undercover mission adventure. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know below if you did and if you would like to do something like that again. If you have any suggestions or comments, feel free to type them below as well. I miss you a whole bunch, and I can't wait to see you again sometime soon. Bye, friends.